Okay, so I'm going to explain the trades that I took today. First of all, we are on H1 on EU, and well, after this, well, we are in a downtrend, as I can see here that I mark with dots. And after this break of structure here, I was waiting for maybe taking this relevant liquidity here on H1, but we could continue with an up movement because here we had a reaction from an SMT. So I was expecting both directions, yeah, both sides, and I had to wait for the market to tell me what to do. Um, First of all, in the morning, I had to go at 10:30, well before, so this I couldn't take this trade. I saw it, but I didn't take it. And I understood that this was a break and retest, so to induce buyers for maybe tomorrow and take some liquidity. Here we had this uptrend, which reacted perfectly here, taking this relevant liquidity. I was looking for a sell here to take this low, but it didn't take the relevant liquidity on M1, so I didn't do it. And then, well, I waited for New York to open. We took this relevant liquidity on H1 to the left. We had this reaction, and here we had relevant liquidity on M1. And well, we took a high here, so I waited. And when we took the relevant liquidity here, we had relevant liquidity on M5. And if we go to M1, I took a trade here, which I think it was more or less correct, but we hit stop loss. And then I waited for a reaction here, as you can see. And with this candle starting to go lower, I entered here with a little bit of a risk. And we had a 1 to 5.8. I closed partial and break even here. I placed it here. And we had TP, as I'm going to show now. We started the day with 2,200 more or less, or 100 of profit. Then I went down like to 1,800 with the stop loss, and with the TP we recuperated maybe, and now we are 2,700 up. And well, this trade on M1, as you can see, it was pretty easy. SMT more or less, well, I think it takes the low maybe 29 and 28, yes. Well, this would be a little bit risky. I know it was a pullback, and then I wanted to look for the buy here, but it was out of timing, so I didn't do it. And here we can see the trend line working perfectly again, with buyers on this side and then reversing and reacting. And then we took the other high that I was expecting, which was for me the most relevant H1 liquidity, because it took these lows here. So it was a good day today. One TP, one stop loss, but perfect. And on Nasdaq, um, it was pretty difficult today. I didn't see anything clear. Here we took the relevant liquidity on H1, as you can see here. We had this movement low, and well, it was pretty difficult to understand this price action. I wanted to open a sell here maybe, or here, or here, but I couldn't because it didn't take the liquidity that I wanted to. I think it was here. and this was my target. And after that, it took this relevant liquidity here, and it went down. It's pretty difficult to see, so I couldn't trade this today. So I'm happy anyways because I did these trades and I understood what was happening here. And well, let's see tomorrow what happens.